Ito yung cane ulit namin. Cordilleran rendition ng Irish stick. Di ko kaya i-pronounce yung kanya, kaya di ko na pinilit. Ito ginamit namin yung bone na cup no ano. Itong shaft niya sagat wood to, mulabe, hardwood. Galing sa old na post ng mga bahay, mga ganito. Kasi ang source namin from wood, yung mga from old houses. Our rendition of the Irish stick. Its shaft is hardwood, mulabe. Kasi traditional Cordillera style of steel cup, we call that the horhog. Has rattan bands, Cordilleran wood tattooing. Then we topped it off with trophy bone, 40 inches long.